Hello and welcome to another iSaham video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you're supposed to purchase IPOs if you're a bumiputera. Now you got to take this advantage because you got to remember that there is given a special quota for bumiputera people to purchase IPOs. How can you actually do this? Well, first you're going to have to go into sahamonline.miti.gov.my. After you've actually entered here, let me just switch this back to full screen. Okay, now if you have an account already, you just log in over here. But if you do not have an account, well, you're gonna have to go down here and sign up. First, pick your investor type. Of course, I'm gonna be purchasing these IPOs as an individual, so click on that and sign up. What you're going to have to do here is fill in your name, IC number, and your home address and work address. Let me just do that really quick. All that's left is for you to fill in your home number, mobile number, fax number, email, current occupation, academic qualifications, and if you have multiple CDS accounts, you can link up your MITI account to 3 CDS accounts. And lastly, fill in your marital status and upload a copy of your IC. Don't worry if you don't have a fax machine, just put in your home number again. And please specify your job position. You can link up to 3 CDS accounts to this MITI account, however, only the first one is gonna be picked to actually be registered under the MITI account. And also you're required to have your full CDS account number, which you can find within your Bursa statement. And lastly, upload your IC. Congratulations! You just opened your very first MITI account. Don't forget to check your email to grab your user ID and password and go back to the MITI website to change your password. You can change the password by clicking on Tukar Kata Laluan. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching and happy trading!